Hello, my friends. I am here with Creality Print 5.0 taking over my life. And I'm doing my very best to add profiles for as many printers as possible. People are sliding in, asking me for this printer or that printer, or this printer or that printer, and I'm doing my very best to add them. It turns out that you cannot create a profile in Creality Print, export it from Creality Print, and then import it back into Creality Print. For some reason, I've been told by my rep at Creality that importing profiles only works from profiles exported from Orca Slicer. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I don't understand, but that's the situation, whether we like it or not. So what I'm doing is I'm creating profiles in Orca Slicer and then exporting them from Orca and importing them into Creality Print. And for the most part, it's working. It's strange that I have to do it this way, but I'm doing it. So give me some time and patience. I'm going to continue creating profiles. The problem is that to go ahead and run test prints on these profiles for all these different printers would be super time consuming, and with my current schedule of content that I need to make, it's just not feasible. So my choice is I don't make the profile, or I make it to the best of my ability, put it up on my socials, and you guys test it out for me. Let me know how it goes. And if there's any major issues, you let me know. And if you find it's a little too slow or a little too fast, you can make those adjustments yourself. But the profile will get you started in adding that printer and making it function in Creality Print 5 for you. So I am going ahead using my best judgment plus referencing existing profiles in other slicers to create these profiles and make something that I'm relatively confident will perform well for you. Note that I don't push speeds, I push success and quality. We can always push speeds another time. So if you're interested in joining the party and checking out my profiles and adding more printers to your Creality Print 5.0, and of course, helping make sure that I survive and continue running this channel instead of flipping burgers at McDonald's. I hear you can get $20 an hour now flipping burgers, huh? Go ahead, become a member or a Patreon. Any level you want, anything at all is helpful in keeping me doing what I'm doing and planting my ass right here, creating content for you guys. See you there.